Good morning and welcome to our third part of the series, Minding Your Business Plan. We are in the third part, as I stated, for financials. So today we're just going to do a recap of the previous sections that we've covered, as well as dive into our financial section. This will be available on the Benedict College Women's Business Center YouTube page. At the end of the recording, there will also be a link for a survey. When you have a chance, please take a moment and do that survey. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the chat. We will be monitoring the chat and we will go forth and answer any questions at the end. Alrighty, so again, as I stated, we are in our third part of the Minding Your Business Plan series. This is for financials. My name is Tatika Heron. I am the program manager here at the Benedict College Women's Business Center. And just to get started for you guys, uh, in this series, we're going to go over our Women's Business Center introduction. We will do a series recap. We will get into the Money Matters idea, which is your financials behind your business plan. And at the end, we will have any questions for you that you may have. We will answer those questions. The Benedict College Women's Business Center was established in 2021. We are funded in part through a cooperative agreement with the United States Small Business Administration. We have a focus on supporting the economic prosperity of small businesses that have experienced social and economic disparities. We offer services that are geared towards the growth and development of entrepreneurs and their businesses through financial and educational initiatives that are created to help businesses grow and become sustainable, and this is for statewide. In this series, we are discussing business plans. So for most of you, if you are new businesses, you may not have yet created a business plan. And for our existing businesses, you may also have not created a business plan, or you may have one and you're just wondering how you can refine that business plan to make it more geared towards funding or lenders, and maybe even real estate. So with this, we are going to discuss the financials and why business plans are so important. So for many reasons, a business plan is a great way to start and to give the reader an idea of who you are and what your business does. Essentially, it is the foundation for your business, and it gives prospective lenders and investors a look at your business. In our previous sessions, we covered market analysis and our SWOT analysis. For your market analysis, basically a definition for that is going to be a thorough review of your business through the lens of your industry. When you are doing a market analysis, you are able to identify who your competitors are, who your consumers are or may be, and how you are positioned in your market. A thorough market analysis can identify to you who you are serving, what is needed, and what problem you are going to be addressing, when and where your services are needed, and how can you better assist the community or the industry in which you are geared towards. Your SWOT analysis, which the acronym is for your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This is done so that you are able to identify potential risk in your business. Money matters. Getting into your financials. It is important that you know where your money is, where it's going, where it's coming from, and how it's being utilized. Simply put, money matters. For knowing your business, your financials is a big part of how your business is going to be able to sustain. I would advise that investing in a Bell team is key for having a successful business. A Bell team is going to be your banker, an accountant, an insurance agent, and a legal rep. These are people that you need to have on your team that are going to assist you in every aspect of your business. With a banker, you want to be sure that you build a rapport and you are able to have contact with that person at all times in regards to your money. Your banker is going to be one of the people that you're going to go to, who's going to be able to tell you what's going on with your finances, as well as your accountant. Your accountant will have a little bit more insight on your profits and loss, your projections, and your money as a whole. Your insurance rep is your risk manager. This person is someone that you need on your team to help you to ensure that you are in compliance with general liability, renter's insurance if you have a brick and mortar, and then overall just your liability. Your legal rep is an attorney an attorney or a paralegal that you may be working with that will be able to give you insight on legal structure, compliance rules, whether it be zoning or taxes. This is someone that you also will need to have on your team to keep you covered in case of a legal matter. Funding your business. Funding your business is really big and a need to know. In the financial sections of your business plan, you should include information regarding your business and the financial needs of the business. Whether you are a startup business or in your growth stage, funding is important. You need to know exactly the amount that you are looking for if your business plan is geared towards investors and lenders. So you need to know what it is that you need, the dollar amount, what those funds are going to be used for, and the time in which you need to obtain those funds. You want to be as detailed as possible with those plans for funding. And you want to also provide the amount of money that you have to support the business currently. So whether it be self-funding, donations, personal loans that you've obtained on your own, loans that you have obtained from the business account, or if you have crowdfunding, or if you have assistance from family members and friends that are going to be also investing in your business. When you are presenting your business plan to a lender for funding, you want to also provide supporting documents such as your profit and loss statements, future projections, and financial statements. Oftentimes, if you are a new business, generally less than 3 years, lenders will ask that you provide your personal tax returns for up to 3 years to show the income and your ability to repay. So sorry about that. Knowing the type of funding that you are seeking is also key. Loans are repayable. Grants oftentimes are not repayable, depending on the stipulations to the grants. You want to read the fine print when you are applying, and then equity financing. Oftentimes, there are companies and investors that will lend money if you will provide to them a portion of equity in the business. When you are presenting your business plan to your lenders or potential investors, I just would suggest that you be prepared to answer any questions in regards to your finances and your goals as it pertains to the business and the income. In the last slide, we touched on financial projections. Your financial projections are going to be your company's future performance as you see it, based on numbers. This section is a key component to your business plan because it is what is going to forecast your revenue, expenses, cash flow, and the profitability for your investors and lenders. Income statements can often be described as your profit and loss statements. These should include your revenue and sales forecast, as well as your cost of goods if you are a product-based business, as well as any gross and net profits that are coming into the business. Your cash flow statements are going to be the inflow and outflow of the cash that you have, and it should also indicate an ending balance. And then your balance sheet is just like your checkbook registry. It's going to provide all of your assets, your liabilities, any equity data that you may have obtained. And oftentimes, depending on the size of the loan, or the investment that is required, your lenders or investors may request or require that you provide any of those documents just for added documentation. We are at the end of the presentation. However, if you guys have any questions, I'll be glad to answer your questions at this time. Again, as I stated, these slides will be available, as well as the live recording will be available on our YouTube channel by the end of the week. But if you have any questions, you guys are more than welcome to answer them now or put them in the chat. Well, thank you so much, you all, for joining today. Again, you are appreciated. Thank you so much. We will have this on our YouTube channel by the end of the week. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to reach out to me. And again, thank you for joining the Minding Your Business 4-part series on business plans. Have a great day.